You got a fish? Catch it, catch it. Pull it in. Did you catch it?
Yeah, I got it in the bucket.
In the bucket?
Yeah, in the bucket.
You gonna catch another one?
Yeah, I need to get.
Throw your line out.
Need to get. Wait.
Throw your line out and see if you can catch another big one.
Got it.
You got it? Pull it in.
That's big now.
Wow.
And one more bucket. Get a big one. One is real wing. And really big now. Big fish. What's big?
Pull it in.
Wow! It's going to pull me in. That's how you get a fish. Yeah. Got it in the bucket. We get a big one, the one. A big fish in it. Woohoo! I got a big fish. A sweet fish. A big fish. Help me, Mama. It's big now. Really big.
Catch it. Pull it in, Aiden. You can do it. You got it.
Yeah, I got it in the bucket.
Wow.
All done.
Nice catch.
I'm done.
You through fishing?
Yeah, I'm done.
Good job.
I'm really done.
Good job.